Hello, experts, and welcome to another Embark.live tutorial. Today, we'll be going over building and/or optimizing your profile. You'll notice we're starting here on our test profile. On your profile, you have a bio section, a work experience section, a short headline, your location, and an idea of your 30-minute session rate. To edit any of your profile info, you'll want to head over to your profile icon and scroll down to settings. Here, you'll have the option to first edit your personal information. Above, you can select a photo that must either be a JPEG, PNG, or GIF file and cannot exceed 3 megabytes. You'll have the option to edit your first and/or last name, as well as include an email address and a username, which will be featured at the end of your Embark URL. You can also include the location that you're in, as well as a phone number, should we ever need to reach you by SMS. The headline you input is what will appear on your profile card across the website, so we encourage you to choose something that really reflects your overall title and experience. The short bio will appear on your profile and will give startups an idea of just exactly who you are. Scrolling back up, the next tab is Experience. Here, you can upload any past or present work experience to show where your career has taken you since you began your journey. Let's add something. If you're currently working, you can leave that checked. If not, you can uncheck that and include what year you finished the role, and then select Add Work Experience. Once that's good to go, the next tab will be Password. Here, you can change your current password for a new password or leave it as is. If you don't have any integrations yet, you should get started on that. Stripe Connect is how you'll be receiving payments whenever someone books you by appointment or buys a ticket for one of your events. Google Calendar allows us to track meetings and make sure that there's no conflicting scheduling occurring on your calendar. If you don't have Google Calendar, don't worry. We're still working on more integrations to include other calendars used by other professionals. This is part one of the profile setup. Join us for part two, where we'll cover bookings and setting your own rates.